Guys, this is Albino Yoshi, and I'm playing Super Mario 64 DS on the Nintendo DS Lite, and I'm playing with an action replay, and these are a couple glitches I've noticed, and that action replay is 2D mode, so this is a cool glitch I discovered. It's really obvious, and yeah, I'm at Whomp's Fortress. Just came up here where the swamp is, and yeah, you can just walk inside the brick, and it'll disappear and reappear and stuff. It's moon jump and action replay thing. Yeah, I can only do it with the action replay. And like I said, I have a DS Lite. So, there's a glitch. Hey guys, this is Albino Yoshi, doing some more glitches, and yeah, I just did the outside of Peach's Castle glitch, where you jump in that tree. It's really easy. You jump in the tree and slide down. Now you can move freely around the castle's underground area. I'll just show you a cool thing I found. It's kind of cool looking. You might want to skip this swimming part, but if your computer isn't that fast, you may not want to. So, yeah, I'll show you what I'm doing on that. Okay. Make sure I'm far enough out first. This, like I said, is a really easy, obvious glitch. A lot of people know that, so here I am, back behind the castle. Here I am on the map. You can go farther than that, but you might die or something. Now you moon jump with the action replay. Yeah. You can do that glitch without the action replay, but this is only with it. And you can kind of hop around the castle. Play fun. See if I can get up to the door.